Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the latest smartwatch from Tecno, the Tecno Watch 3 Active. So this sports smartwatch, as you can see here, do have an enhanced Bluetooth call and with a large high-definition screen display. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design, the specifications, as well as the UI. We'll have a part 2 video review for its menus and features. So if you are interested to know more, or you are planning to get the Watch 3 Active by Tecno, watch this video first, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore and have the unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI, the Tecno Watch 3 Active Smartwatch. Okay, so this is the packaging of the wearable, simple, compact, similar to others latest smartwatches in the market. So we do have here some details on the front of the packaging. We have a 12 months warranty, enhanced Bluetooth call. We do have the specs, and of course a preview of the wearable. Okay, it looks like a Watch Ultra inspired smartwatch. Okay, then let's check. Okay, we do have additional information here on the specifications and features. Okay, so this is the model number TSP W03A. We have a QR code here, and it is using the My Health application, similar also to the Infinix smartwatch. Okay, scan a QR code, available on Android and iOS. Watch 3 Active. Okay, so I'm interested to see the look of this wearable. So let's have the package contents of this smartwatch. Let's remove the plastic here. Okay, so I like the packaging here. It looks premium. Let's check the contents. And the package contents for our Tecno Watch 3 Active are, okay, we have here the user manual. We have the smartwatch with a strap attached, and of course we have here the charging cable, pogo pin, USB Type A. So here are the package contents. Again, we have the smartwatch with the strap attached. We have the user manual and the charging cable. We don't have any free strap or screen protector. Okay, next, let's have the dimension and of course the weight of our smartwatch. Let's put it here. For the dimension, after this we'll have the design to be followed by specifications and UI. So for the dimension, without the, let's see, okay, without the button here, we have the width. So it is around 40.8. Then the length, 49.0. So for the thickness without the sensor, 10.6. Again, yes, 10.8. Okay, then for our weight, let's see. So for the weight with the strap attached, we have 60.40 grams. So more than 40. It's a bit heavy, I think, because of its body frame, metal body frame. Next, let's have the design. Let's remove this first. Okay, so as you can see here, it boasts the Bluetooth call feature of the smartwatch. Hopefully, it has a very good Bluetooth phone call. So for the design, nice. Okay, much better looking than other Watch Ultra smartwatch inspired design. Okay, so this one do have a metal body frame. We have a, I think this is a rotary crown button. We have a push button here on the side. Brush finish. Okay, semi-glossy zinc, I think this is zinc alloy frame. Okay, it's either zinc alloy, I'm going to check it online, or stainless steel body frame, middle frame. At the back, we have a plastic back cover. Okay, durable. Okay, flexible silicone strap, and with Tecno branding here for the strap, stainless steel buckle. Okay, so far it looks nice. Okay, it looks premium. It feels premium, feels solid. Okay, I like the design of the metal body frame here compared to other wearables. Again, let's have a closer look at the design. Then for the specifications, let's turn this on. English, I think we still have to connect it with the smartwatch or the support app. Okay, so for the specs, before we proceed with the specifications or with the UI. So for the specs, we have an LCD screen display. It's not AMOLED, but an LCD screen display. The size is 2.02 inch. We do have a good pixel resolution here, 320 by 390 pixel resolution. We do have a Bluetooth 5.3, 350 mAh battery with IP68 waterproof rating. Okay, crystal clear audio quality for its Bluetooth call. 12 days of battery life with its 350 mAh battery, and it is using the My Health application. Again, here are the specifications. To make it clear and complete, I'm going to put it here on the side, the specs. Okay, next, let's have the UI of the smartwatch. Alright, so for the UI, so we have here, on top we have the settings and options. On the bottom part we have notifications, we have the split screen, and we have the widgets. Let's see if we can operate this. Okay, so it works. It is a rotating crown button for the watch faces, while this one, it is for the sports functions. To access the main menu, just press here the power button. Okay, so that's it for the UI of our Tecno Watch 3 Active smartwatch. A beautiful looking smartwatch with a sporty look premium metal body frame, and as you can see here, enhanced Bluetooth call. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.